Welcome back to Route 55. If you live in New England, you probably have rust all over your truck like I do here. I'd love to show you a little bit about it over here. Right? Well, come on in here, come on. Does your truck look like this? You take the wheel off all rusty. There's chips, everything. All of it's just not that good. Look, it looks like it's been part of the ocean down there. Well, here's the tools you'll probably need. A puppy. Some of this good old undercoat and stuff. A pair of gloves. Powerade, of course. And then a couple wire brushes. Screwdriver. And always a helpful puppy. Yep. So the first step we do, it's quite simple. You come over here and you try to find any of the pieces that are no good. And you just try to scrape them off. All the big chunks. There's a good section in there. Just going to work our way around the whole thing. The best part about this is it's really just best effort. Throw on some gloves, set a puppy, and get to work. It's not that bad. Come in here. Once again, this is best effort. You're never going to stop all the rust on a vehicle, especially living in New England. Best thing you can do is try. And once you get a lot of the big chunks out of the way, move on to a wire brush. Now you're going to want to do this in a ventilated area or wear a mask, as I'm noticing. So let me go get a mask. See? Wear a mask and make sure your puppy's away. You don't want her near this either. Alright, so for the back, we're going to follow the same kind of procedure. We're just going to hit all the spots that we see are rusty with the tools below. Puppy's back. And they're just going to hit all these things. Putting a little bit on this isn't a bad idea either. And then it's kind of best effort. We're not restoring the truck. We're just trying to make it last a little longer. So, let me get to it and I'll show you what the result looks like. Now the best tool to use for this kind of stuff would be a sand blaster. But I live in a residential area. I don't want to get sand all over other people's vehicles. It makes a mess. So, it takes a little extra time to do it this way, but in the end it keeps the HOA happy. For the next step, to make the process go a little faster, we can hit all the dust with this. And then finally, having a fan for the next step because it's going to be making a lot of paint fumes as we paint. So having a fan nearby is going to help with that. Good ventilation is always a good thing. And I put the puppy away for this one because ain't bad for a dog's little snout. All right, I've opened the garage door to add a little more ventilation. Well, thanks for coming along with me in the journey of getting the undercoat on my truck all taken care of. Us at Route 55, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe.